If you're seeing the warning, potential security risk ahead in Mozilla Firefox, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix it step by step. This issue usually happens when Firefox thinks a website's security certificate is not trusted, or when something on your computer is interfering with secure connections. The good news is, in many cases, you can resolve it without much trouble. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech videos. Alright, let's get into the fix. First, one of the quickest things to check is your antivirus software. Sometimes antivirus programs scan encrypted websites and can accidentally cause certificate errors in Firefox. If you're comfortable doing so, temporarily turn off your antivirus protection and then reopen Firefox to test the website again. If the warning disappears, then your antivirus is likely the cause. In that case, you may need to adjust its web protection or HTTPS scanning settings instead of leaving it off permanently. Just remember to turn your antivirus back on after testing so your device stays protected. If the problem is still happening, the next step is to delete corrupt Firefox certificate files. These files can sometimes become damaged and trigger security warnings. To do this, then open the Firefox menu, go to Help, and select More Troubleshooting Information. On that page, look for the Profile section and click Open Folder. This will open the folder where Firefox stores your profile data. Now find the file named cert9.db and delete it. Don't worry about it, Firefox will automatically rebuild this file the next time it starts. After deleting it, restart Firefox and check the website again. In many cases, this simple reset fixes the security warning immediately. If you still see the message, the issue may be caused by an extension or theme. Some add-ons can block or interfere with secure pages, especially privacy tools, ad blockers, or older browser extensions. To test this, open Firefox and go to the menu, then Help, and choose Troubleshoot Mode. This starts Firefox with extensions, themes, and some custom settings temporarily disabled. Now visit the site again. If it loads normally in Troubleshoot Mode, that tells you the problem is being caused by one of your add-ons. From there, go back and remove any recently added extensions one by one until you find the one causing the conflict. You can also disable themes and other browser modifications that may be affecting secure connections. So to recap, the main fixes are: check your antivirus, delete the cert9.db file from your Firefox profile, and use Troubleshoot Mode to identify problematic extensions. These steps solve the warning for many users and can save you a lot of frustration. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick fixes and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.